Susan to replace her. I know that Susan has big shoes to fill in. I'll do my best, son, to do what you are doing here. But you know also that different folks have different strokes, so you will really be comparing me and Susan, but you know that Susan and I are really different because no two individuals are the same. But in terms of pursuing policies and pursuing our programs and trust, I'll do my best that I'll approximate the way Susan is doing. In the recommendation letter which Susan prepared, there's one sentence that also struck me. She said, she's recommending me to her replacement because we have more or less the same work style. Kaya yun, magkaparehas. That is according to the perception of Susan. That is when we talk, when we discuss, but maybe, I cannot really tell. No, you know, as I said, different folks have different strokes. So, again, what else will I say? Daghang kayong salamat for this opportunity. I would like to thank God for making miracles. It's really a miracle because I did not expect that I will still be moved around here. And so there was somebody from Caraga who texted me, Mami, God is really so good. He gave you the desires of your heart. Tinuod gayon because it has been the desire of my heart to serve Region 11. Although I'm already comfortable working with the people in Region 10 because I have been with them for so long already. But since it has been the desire of my heart, I did not expect anymore that I could be moved after 3 months. But then for those who were in Region 10 during the World Teachers Day, the secretary dubbed me as the director in transit. So I'm in transit in Region 10. I am here. I hope let's work together. I'm glad that Region 11 have already come up with an REDP. This is a plan which has been done by so many regions, including the regions which I have been to, because of instructions from central office that we still have to give us training on how to make an REDP. And so I am bothered with this. I told let us not wait for the training anymore. Let's start working on it. So when I left Caraga, they're still on the ground. When I left Cagayan de Oro, I still is forming the committee who will work on it. But here I'm glad that we have the RTPA that will guide me or guide us to work. So with this as our Bible on where to go, let's work together. Treat me as your team leader and you are my teammates. And you know how